Hey guys, I've got a quick unboxing, super quick for you today. I got a couple paintings from Homfun, I want to say, and I am not going to do a lot on these. I'm in pain because I did too much over Pride weekend. And in fact, while I'm showing you this, I'm going to have my partner get the beads out of the box, because that is how much less time I want to spend on this. So we'll start with this one. This is my Sea Witch. There is the thumbnail. It's kind of a pin-up painting. I got a 50 by 70 because I want it to look real good. And we'll see which one of these canvases is the one. Thank you, darling. He got my other beads out. They were really crammed into that box. And looks like we got a pretty regular kit. I mean, look, this is how you tell everything was crammed. We have some nice baggies, but not a lot of them. Mosfa boat, a single 3-placer pen, and the flimsy tweezers. Second one's the same with less squishy wax. They both came rolled around this foam roller, but everything was packed in so tight that this one in the middle came out first. Let's see if we have any thumbnail on here. Yep, there's my thumbnail. So this one's my Sea Witch. We're going to look at the back real quick. See how it looks. I'm really hoping that everything looks good. And it does. I think since the weather's warmed up, things have started to come in and look a little bit better. But everything looks perfect on the back. And we will take a quick look at the drill field. I did get a square. Oh yeah, I think this is going to turn out really nice. I apologize for the background noise. I think my brother-in-law is not aware that, I think it's my brother-in-law, it might be my in-law parents. They are probably not aware that I am doing this, and I'm not gonna bug them about it. So, I think this is gonna turn out great. Look at that. No bubbles, very sticky. I'm not going to unroll the whole thing. I'll do the rest of it upside down. Let's... Alright, so let's look at the other side real quick. So far so good though. Everything looks really good. And okay, that's less good. A little bit short there, but it's just to the line, so it's not gonna be a problem. One thing I did when I was picking this out is I put my stuff in a like one of those online embroidery generators to see a little bit of overlap or something there, to kind of pick which size would be best, and I got it to the size where you would be able to read Sea Witch decently. So 50 by 70 ended up being the good size, but yeah, this is perfect. No bubbles or anything, so I think this is great. This is going to look really nice when I finish it. I'm really excited to start that one. I am not, like I said, I'm doing this really fast, so I'm not going to do inventory on camera. But kind of more subdued dark colors. And a lot of 336. There's 29 bags of that. Let's see how many total colors there are. Looks like total there's 42 colors, unless there's more on here that I haven't seen. But 42 colors, I think that's going to be really nice. And we'll just put that one aside. For the next one, which is much brighter, and sorry about the crinkle, guys. Like you said, they really shoved it in that box. It's going to be a Lisa Frank unicorn. This is different from the horse, Majesty. This is the unicorn, which I don't know if it has a name off the top of my head, but I'll put the name on here if it does. And it's jumping out of a heart. I had hesitated to buy this one, you know, for ones with less busy backgrounds, but then I saw someone who had done a really big one, a 60 by 60, which is also the size I got. And I decided, well, you know what? I want to do a 60 by 60. So let's do a quick look at the back. Back looks absolutely perfect. Sorry. Recording? Alright, and you know, this one I got in a round also. So this one looks a little bit less good just because I think the round symbols make everything look kind of weird. But everything looks pretty clear. And I don't see any bubbles. So I think that it's going to turn out okay. The reason I got one round and one square is because I've never worked with this company before. Looks like maybe some paper's stuck there. And so I'm a little nervous about it. Not nervous enough to do test paintings at a small size, of course, because I like to live dangerously, but, you know, that's me. And we'll just, part of this, other than checking the glue, is also that I just like to flatten them out. And I may do that Ursula one next, but I don't know, because I do have a couple of the new Diamond Art Club releases coming. But I'm also working on Sneaky Cat, so who knows, we'll kind of have to play it by ear. I think that part's not great. See, I guess we'll work on this side. Okay, yeah, there's a little bit of like paper that's torn off there, but I will wipe that off with a baby wipe. Otherwise, everything looks good. The glue, I don't know if you guys can see over here, but the glue comes out like all the way to the edge over here. Right here, it's like pretty much right at the edge, and then it's just a little bit over here. So, you know, that's going to be a little annoying, but nothing I can't remedy. Adhesive is adhesive after all, and since this isn't poured glue, I can actually peel that up or just cover it with washi tape. So, pretty happy with both of those. This one, good, they did send me round drills. This one's going to be really fun because it's like bright Lisa Frank colors. And let's see if we can, excuse me, see how many colors this is. And it looks like this one's 44 colors. So that other one might actually be more colors because I can see there's like a whole extra little addition. So let's see. Nope, just 42 it looks like. Nope, 44. Definitely 44. Alright, so yeah, that is my 2 paintings from Homfun on AliExpress. And I look forward to showing you the finished objects later. You have a good day. And don't forget to like this video. And if you want to see more videos, go ahead and click the subscribe button. And leave a comment if you've done one of these paintings. And I will catch you guys on the flip side. Bye-bye.